Here we go. Alright, we're on our way to Kentucky. It's like a 6.5-hour drive from my parents' house. All we brought were 2 chainsaws and we didn't even bring a drill. Put up the gutters. It's fine. We brought 2 chainsaws and a weed eater because we're just clearing. Just getting some trees down for the water and for the solar. That is our goal this weekend. So Dylan and I got in late last night around 10:30, 11. And we realized we forgot our battery to charge anything. Luckily we had the generator to blow up our blow-up mattresses. And then we're blowing them up and we run out of gas in the generator, so we had to blow them up in our car. And my mouse traps didn't get any mice, but all the peanut butter's gone off of them. And so, these are some tricky mice. So we are putting the solar somewhere over here. And we're clearing that today. So we're trying to see where the sun comes in, which I'm pretty sure it's right over here. So this whole trip we just plan to cut down trees. So I don't think it will be too exciting, but let you know if anything crazy happens. We're trying to track where the sun is because you need no shade. So we cut down all these trees, they're all trees. The sun is coming right here. And so I'm thinking if we just cut down this large tree, then the solar could go right in here. But it hasn't even hit over that tree and it's almost 11. Also sucks because we're cutting down all the trees that shade the house. So it will be hotter. And also solar, you're not supposed to have it more than like 50 to 100 feet away from your house because then you start to lose efficiency of the solar panels. So trying to figure it out. Sunday morning, Dylan and I woke up super late. It's like almost 10 o'clock. I'm gonna weed eat, and Dylan's gonna stack up some trees that we cut down yesterday, so they're all in one place. And then I might paint the windows some more. So yesterday I painted the bench and the windows black, and they look pretty good. We gotta go back with the scraper and scrape all of it off the windows, of course, but other than that, at least that's done. And now all it needs is a final coat of paint and trim around the outside. So this is what it looks like now. I can't reach behind there because I'd have to move all this stuff. And here are the slats to go on the front. Okay, well, that didn't last long. I know we have weed eating line here somewhere, but I am out and I can't find it. So, I'm gonna go finish painting, I think. All these windows are roughly painted. As you can see, we didn't have tape, so I have to go back and scrape it all. But some places need a second coat, like Up here you can see the white shining through. Yeah. I also need to measure all of our faucets. I set all these mouse traps and we didn't catch a single mice. They licked all the peanut butter off. I need to measure these for the faucets. I'm also gonna take the measurements because all along here is gonna be the kitchen. And so I'm gonna take measurements to build cabinets around this thing. All of this area for backing up when we go down the driveway here. And then all of this area too. So next time we're here, we're gonna hang gutters on both sides. And that side, the gutters will run down and there will be a tube that runs under the house and over here. And right down here will be our water tank for the rainwater. Oh my gosh. Can you see this spider web? You can barely see it, but this entire thing is a spider web. When we cleared out over here yesterday, there was a couple like baby snakes. So this is a fun area. But we ran this water line all the way down to the creek that is down there to the opening that you guys saw in the last video where we ran the water down from the pond to the bottom of the stream. And so then it pumps it all the way up to this tank, and then we'll pump it again up to the above the cabin way up here. I freaking love turtles. Turtle, turtle. Oh, he's speeding. We might need to have a turtle collection. Let's start a turtle area.
Can we try to get this right here?
Yeah, it'd fit perfect. So in Kentucky, the water runs and creates these huge ravines. I don't know if you can see how deep it is. It's like really deep. You can't tell, but they're really deep. So we're trying to fill them so that they stop getting lower, because this used to be a road, and up there will be our water. So we cleared all of this yesterday, and all of that is also cleared, but it's a pile of trees. It's a pile of trees here and piles of trees there, but all of the trees are cut down. This area, and I think the solar is going to go right where I'm standing, so right up here, because it gets the most sun. The sun's coming over the trees right here. And then we might have to cut down this tree so that it gets full sun all day long. Here's the cabin, and then up here will be the solar. Underneath the solar will be the chicken coop and the wood pile to keep the wood dry. And then down over through there is so nice that we're gonna make trails through there. And then on the other side of these big trees, it's a hill. And our garden will be over there because it gets really good sunlight once it comes up in the morning. These are all the dead trees that we had cut last time, and here's our pile of new trees, and then there's another pile deep back here of new trees also. Dylan is having way too much fun on this tractor. All right, we're leaving. I'm so sad. I don't want to ever leave. Bye.